Hello my dear friends and welcome back to the tutorial of Java. In this video you are going to learn what is super keyword in Java. So first of all, what is super keyword? The super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Whenever you create an instance of subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly which is an referred by super reference variable. The usage of Java keyword of super, it is first, super can be used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class method, and super can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. So let it take it first to access variable. How that can be possible? Suppose I have defined one class as an animal. In this animal, I have defined one data type, that is string color is equal to white. Means name of that variable is color and the value of color is white. Now to how to access this variable using super keyword. Now again one more class is class dog extends animal. Why extends? Because I have defined one inheritance relationship over here. Means through this object of D I can access all the parameter or method of animal class also. Now in this dog class I have defined one variable as string color is equal to black. Now the variable name is same for both the parent class and child class. Now void plain color means this method of dog class. Now when this print color method will call something output like this, that is defined this two curly braces. Now the first output is system.out.println color. Whenever you directly access the color variable, it will print C of the same class. Means the dog class color have value black. Means print color of dog class. It output is something like black. Now to access the current parent class variable or method, system.out.println super.color. Means here I define one keyword as a super that will access the current parent class variable which is have named the color. Means super.color will access the parameter or variables of animal class. Means the second output is something like white. Why? Because you are accessing super and the super keyword is used to access current parent class variables. Now to print all these things, class access variable in which have main method. Now I have defined one method as object as dog d is equal to new dog. Now through this object of dog you can access the particular print color method. When the print color method will call, the first output is system.out.println color which is access current classes variable that is black, and second one that is system.out.println super.color. Now super keyword is used to access current parent class, and dot color means it is access current parent class variable color. Means it will print something output like white. Let's compile this file and run this file. This is the same example that I have explained to you. Let's compile this file and run this file. The name of the file is access variable. Javac access variable .java, and now to run this file, Java and name of the class which have main method. So the first output is black. Why black? Because you are accessing the current classes parameter, and second output is white. Why white? Because you define super.color. Now the super keyword is used to access current parent class variable. Now here define super.color means it is access current parent class variable that is color. Means output is something like white. Now the second use of the super keyword is to access method. How it can be possible? In the one class animal, you have defined one method as void eat. When this eat method is called, something output is like eating. In the second class, that is class dog, you have defined extend relationship over here. Means through the object of dog you can access all the parameter or method of the animal class also. Now here also one method is void it. Means you have defined over here as a method overriding. Why? Because same method name with same number of parameters is defined in subclass also. Now for the two more methods, that is void bark and void walk. In the void bark method I have defined something output like barking, and one more method is void walk. When this void walk method will call, it will call something like this, that is super.it. As we have learned that super keyword is used to access current parent class variable or method. Right now we are accessing the it, that is method. Now super.eat will call something like this, that is eating, and the second one, that is bark. Bark will call the current class is method, that is bark will call something like barking. Now how to print all these things? I have defined one method, access method, that is class which have main method, means through these output will printed, means here I will define one object as dog d. Okay, dog d. Through this object I can access all the methods of the dog class, means through this object I am defining or printing the work method. When the work method will call, it will print super.eat. Why super.eat? Because it will use to print current parent class eat method, means something output will printed first is eating and the second one is bark. That will print barking also, means the first output is eating. Why eating? Because we have used super keyword dot eat method, means it will access current parent class eat method, and the second one is bark. Bark method will call current class is bark method, means output is something like barking. I would save this file as access method. Let's compile this file and run this file. Access method.java, and now to run this file. Okay, the first output is eating as I have defined. It will print current parent class eat method, and second one is barking, that is current class is bark method. And the third use of super keyword is to use constructor. Constructor means the class name have the same name as a constructor name, means I have defined here animal as an animal, and the constructor doesn't have any return type, means void or int doesn't define over here, means this is a simple constructor of class animal. When this animal will call, something output is like this, animal is created. Now the second one is dog extends animal, means here you have defined constructor also and inheritance also. Here constructor dog means it is also again a constructor. Here I define a super keyword, just super keyword, means in constructor just super keyword is used to define current parent class constructor, means this super keyword is directly access this animal, means the output is something like animal is created, and the second output, that is dog is created, means this statement is printed as it is shown in front of your screen. Now how this all the thing will printed? Through this object of just dog. Why just you have to create object? Because the rule of constructor is that when you create the object of the class, it will call automatically when you define constructor. Means this d object will call this dog constructor and the print these two lines. In the first line super keyword, this super keyword directly access the animal class, and the output is something like this, that is animal is created, and the second line, that is dog is created, will print in output screen. Let's check it this also, that is I have saved this file as access constructor, means java c access constructor.java, and now to run this file, java and name of the class which have main method. So animal is created, it will call using constructor, sorry super keyword, and the second one, that is dog is created, is printed as it is in dog constructor. So this is simple example of super keyword that is used to access variable, access method, and access constructor. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like our channel, share and subscribe it.